Hi! In front of me is CAT S53 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app. Now select one of your albums. I will go with screenshots and hold the photo that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select multiple ones right away, just click on this dot at the top left corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully selected. In order to delete them, click on this bin next to shopping cart at the top right corner and just got it in the pop-up. Then move to trash in the other one. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!